Yo everybody, what's up? This is the Wraith. Today I'm going to show you how I made an industrial coffee table using some galvanized iron pipe, some wood, some stain, and some black spray paint. I got some wood, cut it down to size, and then I stained it with some dark walnut stain. I got some mineral spirits and some Goo Gone so that I could strip and clean the galvanized iron piping. All cleaned up and ready to paint.
Don't forget to wear gloves, kiddies, and the mask.
Now it's time to put the pipes together. See, I've already started. This is the fun part. You got some 6-inch and 4-inch screwed into each T to make the legs. And this is for a coffee table, so the legs are actually pretty low. Building can be fun. Building can keep you occupied so you don't go insane. Too late. They look like Uzis. Remember, it's good to sand the tabletop before you stain and lacquer it, and it's also good to sand each pipe after you paint them black. Now I have 4 Uzis and some flanges. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys the final step, putting together my table here. And now I am just screwing in the flanges on each side, finishing up.